Your Scientists are hilarious. Yeah, that was good. I've done them a few times. And we supported Panic at the Disco.
Yeah, that was good.
At one point at Brixton Academy, which was like the show was just amazing. We
That
didn't really
was also
overlap
because
with
it
them
was
so much, but it was just like we got to play Brixton Academy, so yeah, it was amazing, guys.
Visions of our love pass right by me. Your eyes are enough to
I think she stole it from you.
Has it always been a
I've been
part
doing
of
it for a long
your
time.
Let's put that out as a rumour.
Okay.
Face.
I've
It's
been rocking
starting
drum face for like 10 years now.
Do you ever, like, as you're playing your instrument, realize that you're making a face and try and stop, or do you just not care?
You don't really mean it. Or
Sometimes I realise I'm not making a face and I go,
it's good, like making a boring face.
yeah,
That's right, but
just going like that. And go, better do something silly.
It's one of those things where, especially like seeing pictures of yourself back, and sometimes I do think, oh my god, what am I doing there? There's some horrible. When I say like, there's pictures of me singing where it just looks like I'm about to explode.
you can't help it if you're singing.
But then
because you're making
I know,
the-
but that's the point.
words
It's like
come out.
I can't do it any different now.
Yeah.
That's the way I do it.
Yeah.
I know whenever someone films me, I hate seeing myself in video because I always make
Yeah.
the weirdest faces as well. It's awful.
You're right, actually.
know if I was to do it again. Well, I wouldn't believe.
Well, the big plan is to try
You
and get
just
this.
summed it all up.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it.
Is that
Well
it?
done.
Any album? Or
Yeah,
is
well,
that
the big
next
plan is to try and get the album finished. So,
We'll be doing another EP
yes,
this year, but
More
the
singles.
album won't be till
Okay.
next year.
but hopefully we'll have it in Cannes, as they say.
More videos as well?
More videos,
Definitely.
and then more touring. We're looking at maybe doing our own headline towards the end
Oh,
of the
that'd be
year,
good.
and yeah,
With a support
some support slots that we're sort of putting in for just now. We'll be busy, no doubt.
Just take the lead. No, 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 nothing left for me to breathe. No.
No dogs. Oh, I can't decide.
I have a cats because they're intelligent, but then I also like the blind optimism.
Yeah.
You can take dogs out to the park on like a leash or something, but when you put a cat on a leash, it looks wrong.
Yeah.
Well,
Well,
cares
do it
how it
leashes.
looks.
The leash isn't the deciding factor here.
You can also, my cats always like scratch me and stuff, whereas my dog, I just kind of, you can force your dog to hug you or something.
Yeah, see, this is the main thing. But see that video that's going about recently, the cat saving the wee boy from the dog.
I've not seen that.
Oh, that's awesome. A baby and a dog attacks it,
And
and
a cat comes and sees off the dog.
yeah, like properly goes to the dog, and the dog runs away, and it makes me think cats are more loyal than they get.
If it wasn't a vicious dog,
Yeah.
would you still prefer cats?
I
I like foxes. They're like a cross between a
A
cat and a dog.
No, but they're heavy vicious.
No, they're not. Well, I mean, they
Foxes,
are
yeah.
in it,
And they make those horrible noises.
yeah, but they also are adorable. We've seen like baby ones.
this
Have
is
you-
a longer debate than I thought was going to come out of this
Foxes
question.
are in the debate.
Cats or dogs?
I like big cats
Big
Or
cats?
small dogs?
or small dogs. Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Lions
Big cats
or
and small dogs.
Big
chihuahuas.
Well, thank you for doing the interview, and I hope you have a great gig tonight.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I know that what you pump into my veins.